Genuine leather patches are one of the hottest trends in decorating headwear that's out today. And at Stahls, you can get 3 different colors of these leather patches that can be heat applied to headwear with our Hotronix 360 IQ hat press. I'll show you how to heat apply in a moment, but let's walk through the color choices first. With the same graphic side by side. We have the natural color, which is the lightest shade. We have caramel, which is the middle shade, and we have taupe, which is a dark shade. I wanted to show you these options across various styles of hats so you can make sure you make the best selection for your particular client. First, let's take a look at the 3 choices on red. You get a nice high contrast with pretty much any color when you're decorating a color such as red or a medium shade of hat. All great options. If you're decorating a darker color hat, like navy or black, which are some of the most popular colors that are out there in headwear, natural is going to give you the best contrast so you can see the logo and make it out. Caramel also offers some contrast, but starts to blend in a little bit more. And I really love taupe as well because it gives more of a tone-on-tone effect in an understated branding. So depending on the client and the opportunity, they all can have their place for these styles of hats. And then lastly, let's take a look at the colors across camo. Again, natural is going to offer the best contrast if the customer wants their logo to be clearly visible onto the item. Caramel is going to offer a nice blend of the 2. And taupe is going to give us a more tonal look for something a little more fashion forward. Again, all of these are great options. Let's show you how to heat apply genuine leather patches onto a hat using the Hotronix 360 IQ. Get started by loading your hat onto the press. If possible, flip the sweatband out. Once that's into place, all you're going to do is position your leather patch. It has a heat-activated adhesive that will allow it to temporarily hold to the hat, and then position your cover pad on top. In this case, we're going to use the thin cover pad, which is 1/8 of an inch thick. Once everything is positioned, you're going to lock the press down. We have the top heat set for 280 degrees, the bottom heat set for 320 degrees, and the leather patch takes 20 to 30 seconds to heat apply. After completion, the press will automatically open, remove the cover pad, and we have a completed hat with a durable leather patch. We see leather patches trending because they're great for branding on any item. On the Hotronix 360 IQ, we can brand any location, whether that's a front placement over a seam on a 6-panel cap, or even being able to rotate the hat and print on the back. It's all possible. For more information about this hat press, or to get started with leather patches where we produce them for you, visit Stahls.com. Hey, my name is Josh Ellsworth and I'm one of the Stahls TV educators. I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to our channel. If you like the video content that you just watched, we publish it all the time. I've been creating YouTube videos for over 10 years, helping aspiring apparel decorators or apparel decorators like you to grow and expand your business. Thanks for watching.